Hello, welcome back. All right, this video is going to be about the pickup wheel with an outside underarm turn for the lady. Yes? So here we go. We're going to go through this. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. Now I can pick her up by doing a trap or come underneath like Fox and the Hound and grab it there if I want to. Cool? We over-rotate this to open up just a tad bit. Yeah? Let's do it again from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nicely done. Remember guys, it's not about cranking, it's just guiding. Let her do the turning, okay? So here we go from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nicely done. This is a great pattern to have. I love it. So go practice this a little bit and then come on back and